Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I want to unbox a necklace I got. It's a fashion necklace. It's nothing expensive or fancy. It's from the company called Erin McDermott. I actually saw it online and I saw a necklace, it's a really pretty necklace online and in an ad for them, and I actually ended up going to the website, not getting that one, but I got this one instead, and it was even on sale. So let me show you. You know, these like kind of chunky beaded necklaces are in right now, and I thought this was just perfect. It comes with this little dust bag. Little card here, and it says, "People are just as happy as they make up their mind to be." Look, so pretty, right? All different colors, very pretty. I think this is pretty all year round, but spring, fall, and then it has this little gold bead at the bottom, which I think is really nice. And it's adjustable, and I love it. It actually goes with the shirt I have on today. I may wear it later. But I just think it's so nice. And let me just give you the details. It is, as I said, the website is Erin McDermott, and it's called Dream in Color. So that is the style, if you like it. And I will link, if I can link the website below, I will do that. Thanks for watching. Bye.